Salient features of Trademarks Act 1999: 1. It is provided for registration of trademarks for services and besides goods. 2. Registration of trademark which were invitation of well-known trademark were rejected or not allowed, plus defensive registration of trademark was also omitted. 3. Using exclusive names of holy or religious books as trademarks was not allowed for goods and services. 4. Factors to be considered for defining well-known trademark were enlarged or amplified. 5. Monitoring system of trademark was removed, plus only one register was provided with simple procedure for registration with equal rights for all trademarks. 6. Procedure of registration was simplified. 7. Provision for registration of collective marks by association. 8. Provision of appellate board for speedy disposal of appeals which lie before High Court. 9. Transforming the final authority relating to registration of certification of trademark to registrar instead of central government. 10. Providing enhanced punishment for offence relating to trademark along with Copyright Act 1957 to prevent the sale of spurious good. 11. Prohibiting use of others' trademark as corporate names. 12. Extension of application of convention country include countries which are members of groups or union of countries and intergovernmental organization. 13. Other provisions like amending the definition of trademarks. 14. Provision of filing a single application for registration is in more than one class. 15. Increasing the period of registration or renewal from 7 years to 10 years. 16. Making trademark offenses cognizable. 17. Enlarging the jurisdiction of courts to bring the law in this respect on par with copyright law. 18. Increasing the powers of the courts to grant ex parte injunction in certain cases and other related amendments to simplify and streamline the trademark law and procedure.